How to use the cat command on Linux. The cat command in Linux is used to concatenate files and display their contents on the terminal. It is also commonly used to create, view, and manipulate text files. Here's how to use the cat command. View the contents of a file. To display the contents of a file on the terminal, use the following syntax. Cat file name. Replace file name with the name of the file you want to view. For example, to view the contents of a file named example.txt, you would use cat example text. Concatenate multiple files. You can also concatenate multiple files into a single output using the cat command. To do this, specify the names of the files separated by spaces. For example, to concatenate 3 files named file1, txt, file2, txt, and file3, text, you would use cat file1, text file2, text file3, text. Create a new file. The cat command can be used to create a new file and add content to it. To do this, use the following syntax. Cat file name. After executing this command, the terminal will be ready to accept input. Type the content of the file, and when you are done, press Ctrl+D to save and exit. For example, append to an existing file. If you want to add content to an existing file, rather than overwriting it, you can use the following syntax. This works similarly to creating a new file, but the content is appended to the end of the file instead of replacing its contents. Display line numbers. You can display line numbers along with the content of a file using the N option. For example, display non-printable characters. The V option can be used to display non-printable characters in a file. This is useful when you want to see special characters or control characters. For example, output to a file. By default, the cat command displays the contents on the terminal. However, you can redirect the output to a file using that symbol. For example, to save the output of a file to a new file, you can use. These are some common use cases of the cat command in Linux. It is a versatile utility for working with text files and displaying their contents. Remember to replace file name with the actual name of the file you want to work with. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.